corner. And in this video, I'm going to make you these delicious peanut butter cookies. And I got a partner with me, Lacey. Look at her just digging in for those delicious cookies. She's not getting any, but she doesn't know that. Now let's get started. And all the ingredients will be listed down below, okay? If you don't catch it while I'm doing it. Okay, I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients. And you got the flour, and baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gives this a good stir. There we go. Yay, we're getting stirring. And of course, Lacey is watching every moment, trying to get everything she can get. Any little extras. She's there licking it up off the floor. All right, so we're gonna go over here and we'll consider the wet ingredients, okay? So I got the sugar, the 2 different sugars. I'll put it like this. And then I'm gonna take the butter or margarine. You can have either one or get that in there. I'm gonna try to mix this up good. Now, I'll move this side just for a second, and let's show you when I crack eggs, like that. I put them in a bowl, just in case we don't want any eggshells, and I go like that, and we put it in here, one at a time. And I want you to know, I recycle everything, even eggshells, good calcium for plants. Okay, we'll move that over there. That's okay. All right, put here, and one more time. There we go. Let's have some fun. Yes, we will. We'll sing along. Yes, we will. Then we're back to stir, stir, stir. Yep. All right, I'm gonna move the flour here. Over here, I'm gonna pour all this in the center of this. Now, I'm not a qualified cook, but I do like to cook and bake. I've been doing that since I was young. And I wanted to show you something, and I'll still continue doing that. I have a little cookbook I started out with. This is where I got my recipe to show you guys how to make it. Oh, and this is the cookbook I have that I started out with. As I find and I create new recipes, I throw them in this book. But you can see it's got my grandchild. She was cooking with me since she was really young. And on the back, I have my younger daughter and my granddaughter again. And my grandson, who's not on here, he likes helping cooking too. But they're a lot older now. But anyways, they've cooked since they were little. All right, we're gonna stir this and hopefully it'll all come nice. I will, like I said, put the ingredients down below, but I'm gonna say that I have margarine in this case in here, but you can use butter, and I think butter would go better, but I just didn't have it, so. Dig in, yum. So, okay, we get it all mixed up. I gotta add some vanilla and some peanut butter. Can't have enough peanut butter. Yeah, baby. Alright, when you know it's just right, see, I'm going to show you. It's not quite mixed up, but it's nice. It's just, see, it's not too wet, it's not too dry, it's just perfect, so you can tell. And if it was too wet, I'd probably add a little bit of flour. And too dry, well, I probably would, I don't like it, but a little milk or something I would add. Milk or water, just a little bit, but normally I don't want to do that. Because you have a lot of, the margarine and the peanut butter has a lot of oil in it, so it does, you know, break it down. All right, so we're almost done here. I'm gonna get it all mixed. Now the next thing you know, we got to put this in the fridge for an hour. I want it to get a little more firmer, and then we'll come back to you in a minute. Just like that. All right. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge for an hour. Okay, it's been an hour. You can leave it a little longer if you want, if you have to go do some stuff. And so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a scoop. I use a scooper, but you could take it and roll it yourself. I'll show you 2 ways. If you take that, put it down here. I got my fork, a little bit of flour. Press it down a bit. Okay. Now I could go like this though. I could take this, roll it into a ball. All right, let's get it good. Do the same thing. Fork, flour, press, and go both ways. But I like this better, it's faster. But if you don't have one, I just showed you can roll it in a ball. So I'm going to keep doing this, and that's what I'm going to do. Put it down here. Okay, if you notice, I allowed at least 2 inches between each cookie too to spread. And what happens is, if I would have just not put it in for an hour, it would have spread really all over the place. When you put it in the fridge, it cools down that butter or margarine. And so it makes the cookies not spread as much when you go to cook them right fresh from the fridge and nice and cold. So I'm going to keep finishing this tray for you guys. And then I'm going to put them in the oven. I already preheated the oven to 350. I hope you like this video and you give it you subscribe to my channel, give it a like and a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care.